Hello guys, my name is Kaushal Patil and our today's video topic is what is interface in Java. So let us discuss first what we are going to cover in our today's video topic. So today first of all we will see what is abstraction. As it is as interface is a part of abstraction, we will see what is abstraction, then how to achieve abstraction, then we will see what is interface and how to achieve interface. So let us start with what is abstraction in Java. So basically so basically abstraction is one of the most important OOPS concept, that is object oriented programming system. It is a There are total 4 OOPS concept. They are abstraction, interface, polymorphism and inheritance. So today we are going to see what is abstraction and interface. So abstraction is nothing so abstraction is nothing but a class which contains methods with body, or it it contains a methods which does not contain the body. Basically in this class there are methods which do not contain the body, or some of the methods contain the body. To achieve abstraction class, we have to throw abstraction keyword to the class, and to achieve abstraction method we have to throw abstract keyword to the method. In this way we can achieve abstraction class and method abstraction can be achieved by two ways, that is abstract class and interface class. So abstract class is 0 to 100% and interface class is 100% abstract class. This abstraction class is also used to hide the data and show only the essential data to the users. So let us take an example of sending SMS. We 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 easily text the message and send to the another person, but we don't know how the message delivers. So it basically shows how to send the message but do not know the process of delivering the message. So abstraction so basically abstraction let you focus on what the object does instead of how it does it. Now let us move on to interface class. Interface class is nothing but it is a process of achieving abstraction class with 100% abstract methods. As we have seen that in abstraction class there are some methods which contains the body, and some of the methods do not contain the body. Class but in interface class all the methods are of abstract methods. So there in interface class there is no need to deliver the abstract keyword to achieve abstract methods, but we can give all the methods without body. So this is called as abstraction to sorry this is called as interface. To achieve interface class we have to throw interface keyword to the class. It is also a interface is nothing but a class. Interface is nothing but a which contain 100% abstract methods, and to inherit the interface class uh, we we have to use implement keyword. So in this way interface class is used in Java. Thank you.